Hello everyone, welcome back to Supremo Classes. I hope you are safe and healthy, and in this video I am discussing 65 important MCQs on goods and services tax, and this video is very useful for your examination. So watch this video till end, and without wasting your time, let's begin the video. What is the full form of GST, goods and services tax? GST was implemented in India from 1st July 2017. The Central Board Excise and Customs announced that every year 1st July will be considered as GST Day. Which constitutional amendment has been done to pass the GST bill? The 101st amendment has been done to pass the GST bill. In India, the GST is based on the dual model GST adopted in Canada. GST is a consumption of goods and service tax based on destination. The number of structures in India's GST model is 4. The full form of HSN code in GST is Harmonized System of Nomenclature. Which of the following tax was abolished by GST? सर्विस टैक्स को abolish किया GST ने. How many types of taxes will be in GST? There are 3 types of taxes: state GST, union territory GST, central GST and integrated GST. जितनी भी मेरी इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेलिस्ट है उसकी लिंक मैंने आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी है. इसमें एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ बनाई है कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए. लॉ सब्जेक्ट में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. रिसेंटली अमेंडमेंट हुए हैं, उस पर भी मैंने स्पेशली वीडियो बनाया है. क्विक रिवीजन सीरीज़ बनाई है, जुडिशल प्रिपरेशन सीरीज़ और लैंडमार्क केस लॉ सीरीज़ और अदर जो इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेलिस्ट है उसकी लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी है, जो आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है. सो प्लीज़ एंड लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं मेरे चैनल को, अगर आप नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को. अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो जब भी मेरा नया वीडियो अपलोड होगा उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपको पहले मिल जाएगी. सो नेक्स्ट MCQs है अपना. Which of the following is not included in GST? Stamp duty is not included in GST. SAC code stands for Services Accounting Code. The first committee to design GST model was headed by Asim Das Gupta. The maximum rate applicable for state GST and union territory GST is 20%. When GST Council constituted 12 September 2016. Which article of the Constitution outlines the composition and function of the GST Council? तो आर्टिकल 279A इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये आपको ये आर्टिकल भी याद रखना है. GST rates applicable on goods and services are 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. ये जो रेट है आपको रट ही लेना है, अच्छे से याद रखना है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है ये. Taxes that are levied on any intrastate purchase are central GST and state GST. The main objective of GST is to develop a harmonized national market of goods and services. What does I in IGST, that is integrated GST, stands for? तो integrated. GST is levied on creators, retailer, consumers. All the above options are correct. Under GST, value addition refers to expenses plus profit. State GST is applicable when goods are sold within a state. अगर goods are sold within state, then state GST is applicable. Goods and services tax is multi-point tax system. Goods and service tax is a consumption based. Tax collected at source at the rate of 2% is applicable in case of e-commerce operators. Indian GST model has dash rate structure. So in India, GST model has 4 basic rate structure. They are 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. What kind of tax is GST? Indirect tax. Which of the following is the main motive of the government behind the introduction of the goods and services tax to increase government revenue? तो motive क्या है government का behind the introduction of the goods and services tax to increase government revenue? The decision of the GST Council are made by 3/4 majority of the votes cast. The center has 1/3 of the votes cast. Center को 1/3 of the votes cast, and the states together have 2/3 of the vote cast. Each state has one vote irrespective of its size or population. The value of supply goods and services shall be transaction value. A special audit under GST is conducted by the Assistant Commissioner with the prior approval of the Commissioner can order for special audit in writing. Which of the following statement is correct about GST? GST is like a large point retail tax. GST is going to be collected at point of sale. It will be implemented from 1st July 2017 throughout the country. It will unify the tax structure in India. तो all the statement जो है एक correct है. What is location of supply in case of importation of good? Location of the importer. Who can collect tax? Only a registered taxable person can collect GST. Which form is to be used for registration? Form GST REG1 is used for registration. What is the validity of registration certificate? Valid till it is cancelled. How is person apply for registration form? Filing form of GST REG1 electronically in the common portal and uploading the required documents along with the application. When can registered person avail credit on input? On receipt of goods, on receipt of documents. So both options are correct. Provisional input tax credit can be utilized against self-assessed output tax liability. Tax invoice must be issued by every taxable person. Which of the following country is the first one to implement GST? तो फ्रांस ने फर्स्ट इम्प्लीमेंट किया GST को. An invoice must be issued at the time of removal of goods. The expenses for conducting a special audit are made by the government. Exemption from registration is available to agriculturists. What types of refund are directly given instead of crediting into the Consumer Welfare Fund? Refund on export, unutilized portion of ITC. ITC मतलब लॉन्ग फॉर्म होता है इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट. Tax or any other amount paid without passing to someone else. Tax borne by notified class of taxable person. All the above options are correct है ये. What is CGST? Central Goods and Service Tax. A person is having multiple business requires registration each business separately. GST registration is PAN card based. Taxes paid on transaction value. Input tax credit means that while paying tax on sale of goods and services, you can avail the tax you have already paid on the purchase of the above goods services and pay only the balance amount as tax. That is the input tax credit. Input tax includes central GST, state GST and integrated GST paid on input goods, input services. In exports of goods and services, GST is not applicable but still input tax credit available. Such transactions are called zero rated transaction in GST. Non-taxable territory means outside taxable territory. Which of the following requires amendment in registration certificate? Change of the name of the registered person, change in constitution of the registered person, switching over from composition scheme to normal scheme or vice versa. तो all the above options are correct है. Money means Indian legal tender, foreign currency, check, promissory note. All the above options are correct. What is SGST? State Goods and Service Tax. What is IGST? Integrated Goods and Service Tax. The highest rate of tax prescribed under IGST integrated GST is 28%. Under GST, value addition refers to expenses plus profit. Integrated GST deals with service tax on imported service. Integrated GST levy can be levied center. IGST tax levy means between two state. IGST tax levy means between two states. The maximum rate for central GST is 20%. Which of the following tax rate is not applicable under GST? So 25%. What are the taxes levied on an intrastate supply, both central GST and state GST? Participation of ITC value chain in composite scheme without participation option correct है, with participation correct नहीं है. Under what circumstances physical verification of business premises is mandatory? तो physical verification of business जो है premises it discretionary power है of proper officer का. Like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you watching my video.